Today, I will give you 5 tips for buying life insurance. I'm also going to share on the 5th tip one of the most common mistakes that I found people make over the course of my career as an insurance agent. It's something that many people say they wish they had done differently, so I'm going to share that with you guys today, and hopefully you won't make that mistake. Number 1 is you need to use an independent agent. That means the agent can shop the market and use any company out there. So they shop the market on your behalf and find the best company and product for your needs. Some agents are unfortunately limited to just one certain insurance company. So they aren't out there shopping the different rates and different features and bringing you the best thing. They're just showing you what they have. So that's not what you want, and you need to find an independent agent. Number 2, going into the process, you need to have an idea of what kind of insurance you want. Do you want a term life insurance policy to cover a temporary need, or do you want a whole life policy to cover a permanent, lifelong need? That's an important feature that you need to know, and obviously the agent is going to ask you that, but you need to have an idea of what you're looking for going into the process so that the agent can help to find that for you. If you don't know the difference between those two products or much about them, we have some videos that cover that. I think we can put up a link here in this video so that you can go to those here, or maybe at the end of the video we'll do that. And you can find out more of the differences between those two products and learn about them more in depth. But most young people are looking for term insurance. They need a larger amount, and they need to cover temporary expenses like a home purchase or income replacement, or kids and replacing their income for their family. A lot of people who are getting on up in age and thinking about retirement are looking at whole life insurance. So that's just a general synopsis of those two. Check out the other videos if you need to know a little bit more in depth about them. Number 3 is you need to ask lots of questions. The agent is there to serve you. They are there to educate you and to make sure you have all the answers that you think you need to know, not just what they think you need to know. If they are unwilling or unable to answer questions, that is a red flag. You need to find someone else. That's their job, and they wouldn't be doing their job if that's happening. A good agent will be able to answer a question. If they don't know the answer, they can find out from the insurance company. Number 4 is that price is not everything. There's lots of different features to insurance that can make one policy, even if it's a term policy versus another term policy, very different. And there could be a price difference between the two because of that. Sometimes it's worth it, sometimes it's not. But you need to keep that in mind, especially when you're young. The more options you have in the future, the better. Number 5, this is something that I've found that a lot of people have made as a mistake in their insurance buying, is they don't get enough. They buy for what they need right then, which is understandable because you don't want to spend too much, but they're not thinking about what they need in the future and if they'll be able to qualify for insurance in the future. And also the fact that it's a lot more expensive the older you get. So when somebody has a 10, 15-year term policy and suddenly they have more kids, they have a bigger house, they have a larger income, and they need 3 times as much suddenly. But they're older, they're in worse health sometimes, and the rates are sometimes double. So you need more than you probably think you do, and don't be afraid to get a little bit extra just in case. I hope this was a helpful video. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and check out some other videos to learn more about life insurance and other types of insurance. Thanks.